Minister for I-Taukei Affairs Ifereimi Vasu says they are glad to have been involved in the diligence of the I-Taukei conference, as it has been a long time coming.
Firstly, I wish to congratulate the Fiji National University, the Pacific Community, the World Bank for jointly organizing this inaugural conference on Buku Niwanoa, which is long time coming. The Ministry of I-Taukei Affairs, Culture, Heritage and Art is proud to be associated with a subject that is core to our mandate.
Director of Human Rights and Social Development at the Pacific Community, Miles Young, states that the conference's main aim is to use passed down traditional knowledge to teach the next generation of people the value of their culture and traditions, as well as the effects that westernization is having on the environment.
This week marks a milestone as we come together to acknowledge the vital role our elders and knowledge holders, past and present, whose wisdom and knowledge are the foundation of our resilience and our hope for the future. We recognize the importance of intergenerational dialogue, ensuring that our youth are empowered to carry forward the legacy of Navuku Vanua.
According to the World Bank, the integration of their principles of global knowledge and the aims of the conference provides a platform for greater learning, understanding, and action.
Now, with the World Bank, we are an institution of global knowledge. It will be especially important to integrate this indigenous and traditional knowledge into the global system in a very changing world, both economically and in the face of climate change. So this is a conference that we want to call for greater learning, understanding, and action. As we know, the indigenous and traditional knowledge systems stand as enduring legacies of cultural identity, but they are also living, evolving frameworks that will lead the future of the country.
The I-Taukei conference will continue tomorrow. Ranitu, Fiji 1 News.